There is another free certification courses on artificial neural network. This course is offered by Academy Europe. It is a free certification course. You will get your free digital certificate after completing these courses. Let's know about this course. These neural networks are parallel computing devices, which are basically an attempt to make a computer model of the brain. The main objective is to develop a system to perform various computational tasks faster than the traditional system. So this tutorial will cover the basic concept and terminologies involved in artificial neural network. Now let's see how you will get your free certificate. Academy Europe presents high quality formal diplomas, certificate and e-certificate which are formal proof of recognition of accelerated online courses. It shows all the students' abilities to learn and achieve high results and is very useful to promote personal career, including your CV. So here you can see the sample of CV that you will get from these courses and how you can get your certificate at Academy Europe. You must click complete link at the end of every lesson of the course after you finish them. When you finish all lessons of course, then the finished course link is going to be active at the end of the last lesson. When you click the finish course link, you will finish your course on Academy Europe officially. Then your certificate page of completed course will be automatically active here and you can download this certificate from there. So to enroll this course, you just need to simply click over the enroll button. When you click on enroll, then they will ask you to provide your username and password, then click on login. But if you're new here, then you can get the option of registering here. So after logging or registering, you will be able to complete this course. After completing this course, you will get your free certificate. Check the video description to get the link of this free certification course.